Hi, this is short demo for Nova Scheduler overview, and the goal of this demo is to show that on environment is equal compute nodes. It means that each compute node has the same amount of memory, disk and vCPUs. Scheduler balances VMs properly and doesn't prioritize any particular host or compute node. And first step is to show environment. We need to list hypervisor and check scheduler configuration. So let's go to the control node, CDL1, and we need to list hypervisors. The long options is used to show memory and vCPUs. Here it is, our 20 compute nodes. Let's check. It's 20, EC-L 20. And here we can see that memory and vCPU are the same for each node. Let's check configuration. For that we will use CRUD-ini command line. We need to list all options in the scheduler section in NovaConf. We see that host manager is used by default, filter schedule as driver. Let's see what we have in filter schedule section. We see that host subset size is 1. Available filters. Here we see that only PCI pass-through filter is used, but that's not true, because available filters is multi-string option and it's possible to specify several strings in NovaConf. We will see it later. And enable filters. You can see this list of available filters. Let's check actual values that Nova Scheduler process has. Here we need to find Nova Scheduler processes. We can send SIG-hub signal to that process. And after that we can grab our logs to find options related to scheduler. For example, host subset size. Here we can see that host subset size is equal to 1. Also we can check available filters. It's a list of 2 options, all filters and PCI pass-through filters. And that looks fine. So our next step is to actually boot VMs. First of all, we need to check that no VMs exist, and we will boot 20 VMs with one by one with 1 second sleep. So let's see. No VMs, and we need to boot VM. Here is the simple loop from 1 to 20. Now boot without networking and with 1 second sleep. Let's go. It will take about 30 seconds. So let's wait some time. Our next step is to actually show distribution of these VMs. We will try to list all VMs with host 19 and 20. Looks like we are done. All VMs are active. That's good. Let's check our hosts. Here's the command. I will use long option and column host and VM name. Looks like no duplicate in host list, but let's check. Here we see that it's 22, but we need value format to get actual values. It's 20. That's great. And our next step is to check VM distribution from the placement service point of view. Placement service is enabled in Akata in reporting mode, and there is no command line interface in Akata, but it's available in master of Openstack client. So let's go to the MySQL and check that each of our resource provider has exactly one VM. Looks like it's true. That's it. Thank you for watching.